Hi, I'm here with Gabriel Brown at Vivix Credit Solutions. I've been a real estate investor for over 20 years, and after the crash of 2008, had some real tough challenges with property values and so on. And I came to Vivix Credit Solutions, and their staff were unbelievable. But the most important thing was that after working with them, I ended up refining and cashing out on one of my properties. I'm over $1 million, and here's the check, 2018, June 14th. Why? Because I was able to get my credit score, working with Vivix Credit Solutions, way up and remove some derogatories that were old and should have been off anyway. And as a result of that, $1,050,319.50. And here's the check, just so you can see that's real, plaster title. So if you are someone who wants to increase your credit score, improve your life, enhance your life, elevate your life, Vivix Credit Solutions in Las Vegas, the best of the best, the top, as good as it gets. I'm Paul McGuire. Gabriel, thank you so much for helping me pull out $1 million out of my property, and I bought also 4 properties from that cash out.
Right.
I was able to buy 4 different properties, over $3.5 million worth of real estate in 2018. Couldn't do anything for years because credit score, credit issues. So it was the beginning of revitalizing my credit, my life, and my cash flow. So thank you, my friend. Appreciate it.